Missive versus Microsoft Outlook. Which email app is better for you? So, when it comes to managing email, both Missive and Microsoft Outlook are strong choices, but they're built for different types of users. So, whether you're part of a busy team or just need a better inbox control, here's how they compare, including where each one falls short. So, let's start with Missive. Missive is an email app built around team collaboration. Think of it as a shared workspace for email, live chat, task, and more, but all in one app. Pros: shared inboxes for teams, great for sales at or support at emails, real time collaboration inside email threads. So you can chat with your team next to the email, works with Gmail, Outlook, and IMAP accounts. It has a built in task manager and integration with tools like Slack and WhatsApp. Drawbacks: no offline mode. You need internet to use it. More useful for teams than for solo users. Some features are behind a paywall, but there is a free version, but it is very limited. Not as well known, smaller support community than Outlook. Now, this is best for teams that need collaborate on emails, assign tasks, and respond fast as a group. Okay, next we have Outlook. It is Microsoft long running email app. It's great for personal or business use and works tightly with Word, Excel, and Teams. Pros: all in one email plus calendar plus task, deep integration with Microsoft 365, Word, Excel, OneDrive, etc. Great for scheduling, meetings, and events. Widely used, good support and reliability. Drawbacks: can feel cluttered or overwhelming, especially for new users. Resource heavy, so it may run slower on older computers. Some features require Microsoft 365 subscription, and it is less flexible for real-time team chat or shared inbox needs. Now, this is best for individuals or businesses already using a lot of Microsoft apps who want everything in one place. So, in summary, pick Missive if you work on a team that handles group emails, assign tasks, and chat inside email threads, or go for Outlook if you want an all in one solution that includes email, calendar, tasks, and works well with Microsoft 365 tools.